In today's video, I'll be comparing the Nood and Rose Skin Lumi devices. Stay tuned until the end for my final verdict on which is superior. Let's start by highlighting their differences. The primary difference between these two devices is customization.
Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial.
Rose Skin Lumi offers 6 intensity levels and modes, allowing users to customize their treatments based on comfort and specific needs. In contrast, Nood provides only one intensity level. Additionally, Rose Skin Lumi has a lifespan of 900,000 flashes, compared to Nood's 600,000 flashes, making Rose Skin Lumi more versatile in terms of customization. Now let's discuss pricing. Nood is priced at $299, but it frequently goes on sale for $209. On the other hand, Rose Skin Lumi is priced at $229, with promotional discounts occasionally bringing it down to $189. If you're budget conscious, Rose Skin Lumi is the more affordable option. When it comes to results, both devices use IPL, intense pulse light technology for long-term hair reduction. However, Nood delivers stronger and more noticeable results in a shorter time frame of 6 to 8 weeks, compared to Rose Skin Lumi's 6 to 12 weeks. Nood also features a larger treatment window, enabling quicker treatments and better coverage of larger areas. You can treat your entire body in just a 10-minute session with Nood, while Rose Skin Lumi requires about 30 minutes per session. Thus, Nood is more efficient in terms of time and coverage. Both devices share some similarities. They both use IPL technology for long-term hair reduction and are FDA cleared for safe at-home use. They also include safety features like skin tone sensors and skin contact sensors to ensure they are suitable for different skin types. In conclusion, which is better, Nood or Rose Skin Lumi? Nood's larger treatment window and faster treatment times make it a more convenient and efficient option. It leads to noticeably smoother skin in just a few weeks. While Rose Skin Lumi is more budget-friendly, Nood's overall value and performance give it an edge, making it the better product. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.